What do we need to do to connect this RSS feed through like whoever our hosting platform is so that it updates and integrates on the regular anytime a website and anytime an episode comes up?
Yeah, that is, fortunately, that just sort of is automatic. So when you go to Podpage, it'll say like, I want to preview what my website will look like. You type in the name of your website. So podcast on podcasting. We then will look up all of the podcasts and you'll see your name in the list, assuming you're on Apple Podcasts. You'll click it, we'll grab the RSS feed and so you don't have to set anything up. And then essentially like the RSS feed essentially just like when Apple gets a new episode posted to Apple Podcasts, it's pulling it from the RSS feed. When it's on Spotify, right? Basically, your host will put that new episode into the RSS feed, and then everyone gobbles it up and then displays it. Your website does the exact same thing. There's no different. When you connect, basically, we just are aware of what your RSS feed is, and we pull in the episodes when they're released.
So in the beginning, when I want that to happen, what is the step that I do? Like, is it simply telling you what my podcast name is and you do all the work? Do I have to go on my hosting platform and copy and paste like some type of RSS feed, whatever, I don't know the technical term for it, and then paste it into your thing? Do I paste something from your thing and put it into my hosting platform? What does that step look like?
If you are on Apple Podcasts, we have a way for you just to search for your podcast. And when you click the name of your podcast, Apple gives us the RSS feed. So you don't ever have to touch it. If you're not on Apple yet, if you're brand new, you can also copy and paste your RSS feed. If you go to any hosting provider, will tell you what your RSS feed is. And so you can copy that. Just like when you set up, on Buzzsprout, when you set up a RSS feed or a new podcast on Buzzsprout, and you go like connect to Apple, they will then send you over to Apple to copy and paste this feed in. It's the same thing, right? So you just grab that feed and you throw it in. But 99.9% of our users, you just type in the name of your podcast, you select it from a list, and we get everything set up for you.